If your Whirlpool oven's not heating to the correct temperature or taking too long to heat up, the broil element could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Next will be the broil element. Test directly at the broil element for resistance. It should measure between 15 to 17 ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the broil element has failed. If the resistance is within range, something else is causing your range to not heat properly. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Let's replace it. Start by turning off the oven and unplugging the power cord. For easier access, remove the oven door and racks. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the mounting screws securing the broil element at the front and rear brackets. Carefully pull the element forward and disconnect the wires. If a wire slips back into the oven wall, don't worry. It can be reconnected after the new element is positioned. Here's the old broil element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the new broil element inside the oven cavity and connect the wires if they are accessible. Slide the element fully into place and secure it to the front and rear brackets with the Phillips screws. If a wire slipped back into the oven wall during removal, you'll need to access it from the rear of the range. Once retrieved, connect it to the element terminals after the element is installed. Reinstall the oven racks and door, then secure the back panel and the terminal block cover. Then plug the range back in. Great job replacing your Whirlpool electric range's broil element. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement part, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number, and you're likely to have it in just a few days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.